Come on, support me. Let's go. Come on. Hurry up, they're waiting. Keep going.
Okay. Hello, everyone.
Welcome.
Welcome to our support minute. Today we're going to talk about keyboard shortcuts, just so that you guys know that we have them and where you can find them. So,
I love keyboard shortcuts. I do them all the time.
yeah, they're very handy.
They don't
for-
always work on this setup because you can't see them, so it's like an air of mystery.
Yeah. I just wanted to point out that if you open up the menus, a lot of times they're just written right there. If you're doing things multiple times, like you're probably deploying things a lot, it's probably a good idea to just remember the keyboard shortcut so you can do it quicker.
Yeah, it's pretty handy. Control D to deploy is my other my left hand's occupation.
Yeah.
The inventory.
Yeah.
Let's see. Favorite one I have in inventory is probably F6 for a scan, but then Shift F6 for an entire collection.
My favorite inventory one is the Control-Alt-R remote desktop. Kick it
Yeah,
off. I love
you've
it.
got RDP set up.
Yep. You can assign shortcuts to specific tools, so that Control R1 there or whatever you want.
Yep.
So yeah, so if you're looking through the menu, see that. We'll also pull up the documentation.
Because if you don't see it someplace else, it's listed. There's a big long list of other shortcuts.
Okay, am I gonna be able to find
Are
this?
you trying to tell people to read the manual? Would that be an RTFM?
I think
Maybe.
it would, yeah.
I'll always tell people to read the manual.
Okay, it's the inventory interface main console window. Took me a second. If you scroll down a little bit, you're gonna have a quick reference for each command
Yeah.
and all the shortcuts.
Plus what they do and their pretty picture, so you can recognize them.
Yeah, so as always, we recommend doing anything you can to be more efficient. So we love our keyboard shortcuts.
Love them.
Yep, that's it. That's what we got.
Yeah. It's a good one this morning.
And it's quick. Okay.
And 20. Well, can I, while you guys are up there, I'm going to put you on the spot.
Uh-oh.
Chris just came by to say that they are doing the final testing on the last build of the point release for inventory 16, so 16.6.
Yeah.
Quite a few bug releases and improvement enhancements in this one.
We fixed a lot of stuff in
yeah, there's a lot.
16.5.
Yeah.
So
There's a lot.
16.6
And-
is going to be super.
And it's going to be rolled up into inventory 17, which is going to be coming out very
Soon.
very soon, measured in hopefully week to 2 weeks. But we're hoping for the singular on that one. That being said, give us some wiggle room. But 16.6, folks, if you're using inventory, keep an eye out because that should be coming out today.
Cool.